Hey guys, how's it going this evening? Lone Wolf Lockpicker here. I wanted to jump on and do a Stock Lock Sunday pick for you guys. Today I'm going to do the Ace Hardware Series A527. It's got a 5-pin key. Pretty bulky lock. It's pretty heavy. Nice rounded edges on everything. No sharp edges. It's got the typical American lock keyway. The shackle does come all the way out of this one. Okay. Let's get this key off here so I can show you that it works. Got a Phillips screw down in there. So if we get this guy picked, then I'll be able to show you guys what's inside. I'm going to get the key back on the shackle there, and then bring this guy over. Love my new stickers. I love lockpicking. Lockpicking kicks ass. And the UK lockpicker stickers there. Pretty sweet. I think I'm going to be ordering a couple more things of stickers. Okay, I'm going to be using a 50 thousandths pry bar from Sparrows, I believe, and a Peterson number 4 hook in 18 thousandths. So zoom in a little bit so you guys can see, and then we'll start. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, couple clicks on 5, click on 6, nothing on 1. I hit 1 and I drop down to a false set. Click on 1, some counter rotation. It must have been a spool. Nothing on 2. Click on 3. And drop down to a little more of a false set. Now we got counter rotation on 4. Nothing on 1. Click on 2. And we got an open. So zoom out. Get this guy out of the vise and then get the vise out of the way. Okay. Get the key off there, sit him there. Grab a Phillips. Okay. Nice, thick, heavy bottom plate there. Okay, so we got to get the clip off first. There we go. grab a follower. Okay. Now this is a bypassable type. Where's my bypass tool at? It's all bent up. It doesn't really work anymore because it's all bent up. But the thought is that it goes down in there, and then you can twist the cam at the back of the lock with this guy. It does work, but they also make wafers that block that opening. But then they also make wafer breakers that will break through the wafer that block the opening. So it's kind of who gets what made first type deal. Okay, so let's get this guy out of here. Okay, 6 pins in here. I believe only 5 of these were populated when I bought it, and I added the 6 to it, because you can kind of tell that that last one doesn't look stock. Let's dump these guys out here. 1 serrated, 2 serrated, 3's not, it's standard, 4 serrated, 5 serrated, and 6 I believe is standard. Yes, 6 is standard, 5 serrated, 4 serrated, 3 is not serrated because it's really short, and 2 and 1 are serrated. Well, I'm using the wrong tweezers. Let's see what we got up in the Bible. Number 1 is a spool. The silver spring, steel spring. It's a serrated. There we go. So steel spring. Serrated spool. Steel spring. Serrated spool. Come on, the focusing. Come on with the focusing. Serrated spool. Silver spring. Steel spring, sorry, I don't know why I keep saying silver spring. Regular spool. Steel spring. And another serrated. Okay. Got nothing going on upstairs. Nothing special. Nothing special on the core. Just a nice stock lock. Give you guys a close up. For key pins, and 1 serrated, 2 serrated, 3 standard, 4 serrated, 5 serrated, and 6 standard. In the driver pins, we have number 1 is a spool, 2 serrated, 3 serrated spool, 4 serrated spool, 5 serrated, and 6 spool, and then all steel springs. Alright guys, that's all I got for you this evening on this Ace padlock. Definitely a nice padlock. I'm supposed to be sending my buddy Albert LaBelle a package, because he's going to be sending me a challenge lock, and he wants a padlock sent for his, I believe it's Padlocks Without Borders collection, and I'm thinking I might send this one. I might beef it up a little bit, do a little security pins, or do some custom security pins and some threading or something. Might send this one, not sure though. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Have a good one.